Hi guys, today I will be drawing, a drawing tutorial of Awesome Hot Dog. Yes, that's right, Awesome Hot Dog. That's my channel name. Okay, so let's get started with this. We're doing good so far. There we go, we do that. Then, after you do that, we go and do here. There we go. And now we finally do this part. Okay, good job everybody. Now what we do is we do my legs. So we do a leg like that, and on like that, and then do another, and then do that. Then do the same thing with both legs. Okay, now that you've drawn his legs, let's draw his mouth and his eyes. So we draw a big smiley face, almost like epic/awesome face. Then we do little curby eyes. Harmless little curby eyes. Okay, we're doing good. So let's colour in this part. Not really colouring in, but who cares? Then we do the tongue. Then we do this part of the mouth. Okay, now we do the arms. So I'm usually doing this pose, so let's do it. So we do an arm going up like that. And then we do an arm a bit like that. Yeah, we're doing good so far, bro. Now we need to get some colouring pages. I'm gonna go AFK, just grab my colouring, things. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back from being AFK and we have our set. So, first we will need one like this. Okay. And I'm going to go AFK because I can't hold it at the same time. Okay, I'm back and now it's like this. Right, let's see what this colour does. Yep, I suppose that's good enough. Now let's draw. Now let's do it with the other bun. Yep, we're doing good so far. Okay. And that's his buns done. Gonna go AFK to take this off. Okay. Now we have to pick this sort of colour. Okay. What does this look like? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's go. Just around these lines, basically. Doing good so far. Let's do the legs. Add a little bit of shine onto there. Then we colour in the arms. Then we pull one hand out. Put it back. Okay, now that we've drawn this part, we're going to draw another. And this one is important. We grab here and we start. Then we grab a red colour. Okay, let's see how this goes. Yes, perfect. Then we do this. Okay guys, and that's how you do awesome hot dog. By the way, just a quick announcement. I am making Roblox videos when I am, when it's July. Okay? Okay, bye.